Best habits that will help you to last longer as a man. That is what I am going to share with you people in today's video. But before I proceed on this video, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers. Our channel is growing. At least we have made it to 30,000 subscribers. So thank you for supporting this channel. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case if you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what are the best habits that will help you as a man to last longer? This habit that I am going to share with people in today's video works. Do not neglect them, but you can try them and see that they do work. What are the habits? The habits are: number one, I have said it in my previous videos that eating balanced diets is a very good habit if any man wants to last longer or wants to be performing well as a man. You are what you eat. If you can eat a healthy food, it can make you to always last longer, no matter the stress, no matter anxiety or any physical challenges that you may encounter. Healthy food will boost up your immune system. Healthy food will also make you to last longer. Now, what is a healthy food? A healthy food is a food that contains all the classes of food. That is a balanced diet. A balanced diet is food that contains both vitamin, mineral, carbohydrates, protein, fats and oil, lipids, and so on and so forth. So if you can endeavor to consume food that contains all these classes of food, it will boost up your energy. And once your energy is being boosted, or once your energy is increasing, you will always last long. So number two is, make sure that before you embark on any activity as a man, maybe you want to encounter or you want to have encounter with your partner or whatever the case may be, as a man, learn to take a bath with a cold water. This cold water is another secret of men to live or to last longer. Do you know that cold water can resuscitate your body system? It can also revitalize your body system. But cold water is not too much cold, but it can never be warm. Just cold water, normal water. If you take a bath with normal cold water, it will revitalize your body system within some minutes, or after revitalization, it will resuscitate you as a man. So these are the two best habits you need to adopt if you want to last longer as a man. Another habit, which is a bonus that I want to share with you people, is no habit works if this one is excluded. What is that one? Enough rest. Rest is the opportunity of giving your immune system the opportunity to grow or to boost up. When you have rest, that is when you are telling your body system that there is opportunity to build up any wounded tissues in your body system. So if you can be able to have enough rest, that is when you will have a good immune system. That is when you are telling your body system to start building up, to start coming together after stress. Rest will help your body system to come together. And with this coming together of your body system during rest, it will boost up your energy. And with this energy being boosted, you will always last longer. So these are the habits that you as a man need to adopt in order to last longer in everything you are doing. With these habits, you will have enough energy. You will always perform well as a man. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video. I hope you enjoy watching this. Try these habits. They works. They are simple, but I will advise, do not neglect any of these habits. Adopt them, practice them, or apply them in your real life. You will see a positive change in your life. So thank you for stopping by. Like and share this video to your friends and families. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thanks, and thanks for subscribing. Bye.